Welcome to another episode of What's in Your. This time we're shifting gears and looking inside of a Zipp 303 rim. And this is the part of the rim that most of us see most of the time. And here we go inside. This shows you the part of the rim we're looking at. So this is the part of the rim internally where the rim tape would be applied. You can see towards the top one of the drillings for access to the spoke nipple, and it's more at the top of the rim. And you can see up at the 12 o'clock position the bottom of the spoke nipple and the concave support washer. This rim definitely looks better on the outside than it does on the inside. Again, you can see the drillings. As I try to get the camera turned around. Again, at the 6 o'clock position, you can see the spoke nipple there and the concave washer. And here's that spoke nipple and washer again. Hey, thanks for taking a look. Click that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.